how cute is this mug? My friend Lindsay got this for me, and it's my fave. It's so cute. I'm just going to work. I brought out the flannel today. It's a little chilly, which is really nice. We're gonna go to Whole Foods and Home Goods and Bath and Body Works because the little wallflower plug-in things are like $3 today, and I need some fall scented ones. So that's what we're doing. So I'm going to work right now, so I will see you guys after I get off. So look who I'm with now. So we're at Bar Taco, and Emily brought Aspen. Aspen. Hi. Say hi. She's so cute. We're getting marks. We always get marks. It's a thing. It really is. Just got a little snack. I just got a cauliflower taco. These are my favorite ever from Bar Taco. Hey. Aspen, you're gonna be famous. Emily still hasn't even ordered her food yet.
I'm working on
but her hair looks bomb. So bomb. Got the marks. Yum.
Mine's not here yet.
Emily's mark isn't here yet because she took 10 years to order. Guys, Aspen is sitting up here. This is literally so cute. It's so cute. Oh, and there's like a ton of pumpkins across the street, so we're gonna go to the farmer's market thingy. Is it a farmer's market? As I was saying before my camera died. Well, there's like a farmer's market across the street that has pumpkins, and we're gonna go load up on some pumpkins. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be a good time. So we made our way to like a little cute pumpkin patch. Emily's not okay. Aspen, where are you going? How cute, guys. These pumpkins are huge. This is probably bigger than me if we're like really being honest here. These are the pumpkins that I got. I just got like a greenish black one, a white one, and an orange one. So I'm gonna go figure out a cute little spot for these right now. So we just made pizza and we're having that and salad, and we're about to watch iZombie, which Bo has me actually hooked on. Thanks. So we're gonna go and eat this. Hey guys, it's now Monday. It's a little later in the afternoon, but I wanted to vlog a little bit today. I just got done cleaning my apartment and I'm making chili. Like, I'm so pumped for this. I've been wanting chili for so long, and it's finally getting cold enough outside for me to make it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna make that, and then once the Bo gets home from work, we're gonna go to Target and I'm gonna go get some pumpkin sugar cookies. You know the ones I'm talking about? I know you do because they're so good. Also, we might go to Home Goods and I don't know, get a few fall things. I'm very excited for fall if you can't tell. And I want to show you guys all the pumpkins that I got yesterday because they're so cute. But I'm just about to get started on my chili. But look how big this bell pepper is. This is one of the biggest bell peppers I have ever seen. It is freaking huge. So I'm gonna get started on the chili. Guys, we got some sugar cookies. I couldn't decide which ones I wanted, so I got the pumpkins and the ghost. I'm so excited about these for tonight. Hi guys, it's now, it's Wednesday, so I just got ready. I'm about to go to Jasmine's new place. I'm so excited to see her. I haven't seen her in a hot minute, so we're gonna go get some lunch and just like hang out and stuff. So I thought I would vlog a bit today, so I'm gonna head over there and I'll see you guys when I get there. Guys, I'm with Jasmine.
We got some food, guys.
We got some food. We got
10 out of
chips and
10.
queso. We've got tacos. Look at this. And Jazz looks gorgeous.
She's gorgeous.
Guys, Jasmine's apartment is so cute.
I love having Brooke.
It's adorable. I love Jasmine so much. She's the absolute best. Also, we're headed out. Well, I'm headed out. So I will see you guys later this afternoon. But I wanted to tell Jasmine bye. So bye. Hi guys, it's now Sunday. I wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing today. I've just got on my mom jeans, this cute little top from Brandy Melville, my little cardigan, I think it's from Forever 21. I'm just wearing my platform Vans with it. These are so cute, I'm like obsessed with these recently. It feels like fall outside today. It's so nice. I'm gonna go to Franklin, I'm gonna go to Whole Foods, I might go to TJ Maxx and Home Goods and just, you know, look around. So I decided I was gonna vlog a little bit today and just want to show you guys my outfit. So I'm about to head out right now. I have the day off today. It's Sunday, so I'm very excited about that, and it's beautiful out. So yeah, I'm about to get going right now, so I'll take you guys with me. We just made a Starbucks stop. I got my pumpkin spice latte, and they switched their lids to the strawless ones now. So that makes me very happy because I want to save all the turtles that I can, when I can. So it's really good. We're about to go get lunch. We're going to Chopped, and we went to Home Goods over here and TJ Maxx. I found a few things, so I'll show you guys what I got once I get back, but I'm just gonna go eat. The lighting is terrible, but I just got done eating lunch. I had Chopped. It was so good. I'm just finishing up my Starbucks. We're about to go to Fresh Market. They have pumpkins out, so might have to get one. So cute. So I wanted to show you guys what I got from Home Goods. I just picked up a new pan, and my other one was getting gross, so I got this one. And then I had just gotten this little wooden thing. I have a really cute idea for this, so I think I'm gonna put this outside on my table, and I don't know, I'm gonna put some stuff in it and make it look all cute. So I just wanted to show you guys that is also from Home Goods. I already put them up way up there, but I picked up some reusable containers. They're just the glass ones. I've been wanting to get some and try to get rid of the plastic that I have. So those are from Home Goods as well. They seemed really nice, so I'm excited to use those. Also, I went grocery shopping at Whole Foods and I got the fridge nice and stocked for the week. I also picked up this pumpkin brioche bread from Fresh Market. This looks incredible, but I really wanted to show you guys this. I've never seen this before, so I'm excited to try it out. I'll let you guys know how it is. I just got in the bed. I'm super sleepy right now. It's about 10 o'clock, so I'm just editing this vlog right now. But I think I'm gonna watch Gilmore Girls after I'm through with it and uploading. But it was just a really nice day today. I love Sundays. They're my favorite day of the week. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. All right, bye guys.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.